Hello, this is Calvin C, and what you see here is a deck of cards which is modified with a card guard with a deck guard which looks like this. It is made by paper and it contains a deck of bicycle like that. So let me show you the inside. I made this myself, and you can make this in no time if you have my scoring tool, which is this. It has 5 tracks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you align a paper cartoon like this, you can decide where to score. So let me show you how to make this one here. So you need to have a straight line. Let me just cut this out. We've got a straight line here. You can align it right here, and yeah, this is quite beautiful, so you can collect this by looking through your old magazines. And this is a pen without any ink. So the first one to cut is the first one to score. We will use the first track. So remember the sequence. It is 1 and then fold and then 4. 1, 4, 2, 4, 1. 1, 4, 2, 4, 1 here. So I'll just do it right now. So after this, you're going to fold this. So after 1, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, the other round we will go for number 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth one here. So like this, 1, 4, and then we fold along this line. And then 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1. So 2 is here. So we'll put it here. Align to the corner. Okay, so 1, 4, 2, and then 4. So we will cut it right here. So that is 1, 4, 2, 4, and then 1, the last one here. So this is done. 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, and for the rim, you're going to trim it with a pair of scissors. The extra part. get rid of the extra part, like that. You're going to turn this, so you already have the shape of a deck of cards. You can try to fit this in. So it fits like that already. So you're going to turn this sideways and use the third track, the fifth track, and the first track. So it's 3, 5, and 1. 3, 5, and 1. So let me do this now. That's 3, and then we go for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fold. And the last one is 1. Alright, now it's done. So we cut out the extra part, which is here. And we will cut some V shapes, like, let me figure it out first. Okay, like this. So you can fold this in, fold these flaps in, and stick them so you have a box like this. The ideal glue is of course white glue, because you could adjust and try to fit this guard onto your deck. So how do you get that shape? Here we have a shape, the opening here. You could use this to draw. You could use this, put it here, and draw. So let me just do this now. And you can cut this out like that. So when you stick everything together, you have this shape. And the bottom, you're going to do something similar. And for this part, you will do something like this. So when you stick everything together with white glue so that you can adjust by putting a deck of cards in there. Sometimes somewhere you're going to use some tape as well, so you will have something like this, which is this. You could use any paper that you get, which is a little bit stiff. Alright, so if you like this, the avatar, then you download this and print this one out. It just takes 1 to 2 hours in quick mode. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.